Hi my beauties! So this is my take on how to do my sunset look, and I hope you guys enjoy. Moisturizing is very important, guys. I did moisturize prior to filming, and it also, helps clog up pores so you don't have any breakouts from, all this makeup buildup. Since I want my makeup look to be pretty bright, I'm using this NYX white eyeshadow base. I just want this makeup look to be, popping. I want it real bright. But if anything, you guys could still use a regular concealer, but make sure that it's very, very light, and you could still set that and it will still pop as much. But I'm extra, so I'm going to use white. So I'm just going to take this yellow and I'm going to use it as a transition shade. So I'm just going to put that above my crease. Okay, so now I'm taking this very bright orange color and I'll be putting that in my crease. And remember, blend, 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 because, this color is really bright and it could, come out a little harsh. So now I'm taking this purple color and we're just gonna pat that right on the eyelid. To make this color pop, I suggest to use a flat brush and just, do swiping motions and patting motions so that, the makeup could pop up more bright and, So after applying that purple eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go, in and out and keep, adding the orange to, help blend everything out. So now I'm adding this darker purple and I'm, focusing mainly on my lash line because I want it to be, in depth, and I want that purple to, go from like, dark to light. Okay, so now I'm taking this red and I'm gonna focus that mostly on the outer corner. Like I said, I want this makeup look to have more depth, so I'm just going from light to dark. So I'm just gonna use this shimmery color and just put that right under my eyebrow. It's kind of like a, I don't know, like a whitish champagne color. Every time I wear primer, it just turns my face so red. Like, I do look like a damn Skittle.
You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on a
So now we're just gonna set all those areas that we used the concealer, because you know we want those areas to pop. So now we're just gonna use this bronzer to bring back dimension back in our face, especially since we just did all that concealer. We kind of just lost that shape, so we're just gonna bring that shape right back. So now we're just using this powder to just dust off any excess powder on my face. It's the same color as my skin tone, so it will make everything match together. So the two purples that I used in my look, I'm just going to mix those two on my bottom lash line, and I'm also going to add a little orange and a black eye pencil. Okay guys, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my version of this sunset look, and I hope you guys had some fun. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.